I don't know about you, but my favorite food is Chinese or Indian food. I love ethnic food, especially curries. I don't like the heat, but I love the flavor. So I like curry powder, cumin, tikka masala, you name it. I love Indian food. I love Asian inspired dishes, and I try to avoid the restaurants because of course they're going to use a lot of industrial oils that I just don't want, that are very pro-inflammatory. So I'm just really excited to share this recipe with you that I kind of came up with on my own. It's honestly nothing fancy. It's very simple, but I hope you like it. Enjoy. So I just take 2 chicken breasts or 2 chicken thighs and I cook it in butter. As you can see, I saute it in butter, and then you just want to cook it in there, and you can even add a little bit more butter so it just stays nice and moist. And then you want to add coconut aminos. So I use the Bragg's organic coconut liquid aminos, so it replaces soy sauce. And I just drizzle that in there, and then I just go ahead and keep sauteing, and then I just sprinkle in some curry powder. I don't measure, I just kind of guess. Next, I add a little bit of cumin. I just add it like so. I don't measure. I typically use chicken stock, but I didn't have any this time, so I just added some spring water, just a tiny bit, just to saute the chicken further in the spices and kind of cut down the spice a little bit. And then when it was fully cooked, I just put it on some basmati rice. If you want to go low carb, you can do cauliflower rice, potatoes, anything you like. Enjoy.